Hey everybody, it's Jenell from Coffey's Making Agents Wealthy coaching team, and I am here today in my kitchen with you on this Friday, May 1st, talking about two of my favorite things, business building and baking. When Karen asked me to do this today, I was so excited, and I had already planned that May I was going to do a masterpiece of a cake, so I thought I would combine them for you. So I am on the coaching team. I am a mindset coach. I tell you what, May 1st, what a great time to be talking mindset and business building, because May, we get to say goodbye to April, right? Like, woof, what a month that was. And it's May 1st. So to me, that means this is a great time to think about your plan. Where do you want your business to go in May? So if you don't have a plan, a very clear, precise, stretch goal of a kind of a plan, you're just gonna get what you get. Right? So that may be fine if your business is right where you want it. Absolutely. Just stay there. But if you are in the business building, it's a little bit like me making this cake, right? So this cake, I'm making the Martha Stewart Citrus Poppy Seed Cake today. So this was in the 2007 Living magazine. So that tells you how long I've been holding on to this recipe. It is a big deal. So I'm a hobbyist baker, and I like to challenge myself, right? This is how we grow. We stretch ourselves. We stretch our capacities and our abilities. And so this month I decided I would take on this citrus poppy seed cake recipe. This recipe is just frightening to me because it's so technical. And yes, I'm a hobby baker. I'm a pretty good baker. If I do say so myself, I know my family loves when I get in the kitchen and I put on my apron, but this one scares me because it's so technical. So this is the thing about a plan, right? You got to do this for your business. You've got to choose a plan that is a little scary. So if your plan for the month of May is like, humdrum, of course I can do that. It's not big enough. You're not going to stretch yourself and get to where you want to go. So stretch yourself and then really commit to it. So I'm really committing to this recipe. But you know why I know I've got this? You know why I know I could step in here and print this thing off and go to town? Because I know I've got a team behind me. So I'm a hobbyist baker. So my team, when I started baking, it was my grandmother. I had her on speed dial, right? I would call her up and be like, Grandma, I don't understand. What does soft butter mean? Does that mean I melt it? Does it have to be cool? Like I just needed her to explain the pieces, right? So an experienced baker, of course, would look at this and go, I know exactly what this is, but that's not where I was. So now I am more experienced and I have a different team, right? So now I've got my sisters, I've got some friends who are hobby bakers. I can always call them up. I can, reach out to them and say, okay, so I don't understand this piece of this recipe, or I don't understand how this is going to work. Somebody on my team is going to be able to help me out. But if I was a professional baker, so here's the distinction in your business. Are you a hobby owner or are you a business owner? Because if I was a professional baker taking on this recipe as a recipe for my business, I would need a whole different team. Right? So I would have a professional mentor. I would probably be taking classes all the time to upgrade my skills. And I would have a peer network of people who were baking this cake with me or had already baked it. Right? So in your business, when you look at your plan, who's on your team? Because we know our agents in the Making Agents Wealthy family are getting results. This month in October, we had people sell homes to people that had never even stepped foot on the property until they went under contract. How cool is that? So it's possible if you have the right team and you know that place. So when I go to tackle this recipe, if I get into my head too much, I'll talk myself out of it. Absolutely. But again, I know that I can pick up the phone and I can call my support team. So when you think about your plan and your stretch goals, who's going to support you? Who's been there, done that? Who's going to hold your hand through it? Who's going to be your cheerleading team? And who's on the same level that you are, right? Play in the right game. If I want hobby bakers, my peers are hobby bakers. If I'm professional bakers, I need professional peers. So if you want to hear more about the results that our team and our family of agents at Making Agents Wealthy are getting right now, absolutely reach out to us. Go to KarenCoffey.com/Making Agents Wealthy. We will absolutely share those results with you. So exciting. We can talk to you about what your plan for May is and how you're planning to get there. So have a great weekend. I'm going to get back to my cake. And wow, so glad April's over. All right, talk to you guys later.